A transformer having efficiency of 90% is working on a 200 volts and a 3 kilowatt power supply. If the current in the secondary coil is 6 amperes, the voltage across the secondary coil and the current in the primary coil respectively are, we need to find here. Here the given data are, the efficiency of the transformer is eta is equal to 90% and the power inlet and is working at 200 volts and 3 kilowatt power supply. That means the power inlet is equal to 3 kilowatt, which is equal to, we can write it as 3000 watts. And the voltage, that is Vp is equal to 200, Vp is equal to 200 volts. Then inlet, the secondary current is equal to, they are given that one as 6 amperes, and the primary current we need to find here, IP we need to find. Okay, we know that the power Pi is equal to IP into Vp, then primary coils, the P indicates the primary coils, then IP is equal to P in divided by Vp. By substituting the values, inlet power is equal to 3000 watts, 3000 divided by Vp is equal to 200, then 2 zeros cancelled, 2 1 times and 2 15 times, then IP is equal to 15 amperes. Primary coil, that is the inlet primary coil, is equal to 15 amperes. Okay, then we know that efficiency is equal to P naught divided by Pi. Then we know that we can write this one as Vs secondary coil, Vs S represent the secondary coil, into Is divided by Vp into Ip. Then by substituting the values, this is a P naught is equal to 90 and this is 100, which is equal to 6 into Vs divided by 3000. Then by cross multiplying, then we get the value Vs is equal to 90 into 3000 divided by 6 into 100, 2 zeros and 3 1 times, and this is 3 5 times, 9 5s are 45 and 1 0, that is 450 volts. That means the secondary coil, the volts is 450 and the primary coil current is 15 amperes. Then this we can see in the option number B. Option B is our right answer.